A week that began with an easing of lockdown restrictions in Spain ended with confusion as the national government announced it would change the way the number of fatalities were counted. From now on, people who die from the virus in care homes or in their own homes will be included in the official figures, but only if they'd previously tested positive for the virus. It's resulted in the health ministry having to revise its statistics. Well, on Saturday, Spain announced that the official national death toll had gone past the 20,000 mark, but there's still a huge disconnect between local and central government over the best way of counting the figures. Here in Madrid, the state authorities say that according to their criteria, the death toll in this region could be 3,000 more than the official government numbers. Over in Germany, Economy Minister Peter Altmaier warned that his country faced a huge crisis once the coronavirus pandemic is overcome.
The
German economy is in a situation that is more serious than anything we've experienced in the post-war period. It will probably be more severe than what we've seen during both the banking and stock market crises.
In France, almost half of the 2,300 crew on board the country's flagship aircraft carrier, the Charles de Gaulle, have now tested positive for COVID-19. It docked at its base in Toulon earlier this week and has now undergone a comprehensive disinfection process. An investigation is underway to retrace the paths of the personnel so the health ministry can fully understand how it happened. As the lockdown continues in Italy, Sicily, one of the country's poorest regions, has suffered the most. In one of the island's biggest cities, Catania, the charity Caritas serves hot food and distributes milk to the most vulnerable members of the community. Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has promised the state would help with a fund worth more than $4.5 billion for mayors, plus an additional $430 million in food coupons for those who cannot afford to eat. Rahul Pathak, CGTN, Madrid.